guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina. So this morning was actually an impromptu vlog that I started because it was rather eventful. So I do have clips from it, but I didn't really do an official starting for it, so I thought I would do one now. So we actually got a call early this morning, and one of our neighbors had driven by and he called us and said, do you know that all of your cows are out? And we said, no, thank you for calling us. So we threw on our stuff and ran outside, and sure enough, the cows were everywhere. There was even one of the cows that was down the lane and pretty much on the side of the road. And we live on a really busy road, so that's super dangerous. And I don't even know how he gotten past the gate. There's two separate enclosures, so it's not even just like one enclosure. There's two separate areas that the cows are in. We're assuming that the one group of cows somehow broke out of theirs, and then they broke the enclosure to the second one, and then that group was also out. So it meant not only rounding up all of the cows, but separating them back into the two separate areas that they belong in as well. So it was an eventful morning. I tried to video as much as I could. I did have to stop a few times to actually help, and I was holding the baby and a camera. Well, let's have a look at what happened this morning. So this morning, first thing, we got a phone call saying that there was cows out. So we've explored, and sure enough, the cows are everywhere. So that's the job for this morning, get all the cows back into their enclosures.
So here you can see they're just trying to fix the fence, because if we don't fix it, there'll be nowhere to put the cows once we get them all rounded up. Obviously, a few things happened in between here, but as you can see, there's some cows now in the enclosure, so we did get the first pen fixed and some of the cows back in. So now it's just a matter of rounding up all of the cows and separating them into the different groups. They do kind of know where they belong, but it's still a little bit tricky because they're headed to two different directions, and we need to make sure that they both end up where they started. I wasn't able to video everything, but we did in the end get all of the cows back into their enclosures again.
I thought I would bring you guys along. I'm just headed over to the dairy barn. We're on a different farm here, the old farm where the cows got out. And so we're headed over to the dairy barn. Sometimes my husband needs a ride back to the farm here. And so we're going to go pick him up, and we're also going to give you a little tour of how we feed the cows and some of the calves.
So this big red thing is actually like a big mixer, and it already has hay in it and silage, and now we're just adding in the pellets. Now my husband is just adding in the water, and then it will all mix up and we'll be able to feed the cows.
Like a big blender, it blends up all of the food, and then you drive along and the food comes out for the cows. Food coming out here. I'm just about to head out on my evening chores, and I thought I would bring you along so you can see what it's like. Alright, Piggy's first. Hi Petunia. Are you ready for your dinner? You don't like the snow, do you? I'll throw your food in for you. There you go. Pretty wintry looking over here. I'm gonna have to dig these doors out a little bit. No. I have to dig this door up so I can open it. Did you lay any eggs today? Shook your head. Did any of your sisters? No, more eggs. I know what you want to do. You want to peck my camera. Hopefully they're not frozen. Happens a lot at this time of the year. Here's some inside chores. It's a little nicer on my hands. There you go, this is Toretto. Here's Penelope. Hi, sweetheart. And the Hyper Bunny down on the bottom. This here is Sapphire. I call him Saffy. Hi, Saffy. He's got lots of energy. I have to let him out and run around lots. Well, that's all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Come along with me and see what we do on the farm, both for small animals and big animals. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe. It is free and it does help me and my family. And please stick around and check out our new videos. We've got ones coming out at least twice, if not 3 times a week. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!